Hi, my name is Chris, and today I'm going to tell you about the safety features of the mass portal Filament Dryer FD1. One of the safety features is temperature lockout. In the unlikely event of overheating, the dryer would cease operation and would not operate until cooling down completely. Next is the device malfunction detection. In case the dryer detects damage or malfunction of electronic components, all high power inputs are immediately cut off. The filament dryer also features a chamber access sensor. If the dryer detects access to the drying chamber, the drying program is paused until the chamber is closed. Another very important feature is air filtering. Filament Dryer FD1 features HEPA and active carbon filters to limit the escaping fumes and microparticles, making it completely safe for indoor use. Also, the filament dryer has a dedicated handle for carrying. Despite the chamber reaching temperatures of up to 80 degrees Celsius, the chassis remain completely safe to the touch. To find out more, check out our other videos.